What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an AEM 340 fuel pump. This should be like plug and play. I don't think we have to cut anything up, which is nice. It should just go in and should be easy. Fuel lines are done. Obviously they're not in the car. We are waiting for them to dry. They're actually right over here. There they are. So hopefully, let them sit for an hour or so, and then once they're dry we can throw them back in and we can see if this thing works. So pretty much what you get inside the box is a new fuel filter. Just, I don't know, some connectors. Honestly, I've never done one of these, so I'm kind of blind going into this. I'm sure we could figure it out, though. Inside, you have your actual fuel pump, which we'll pull out in a second. Some connectors, so I guess it's not exactly plug and play. Shouldn't be too difficult to do. Some O-rings as well, and instructions. Inside is our fuel pump. And this little thing right here is going to make our Subi go. This thing has some weight to it, but if you look, compatible with ethanol. So if we do decide someday to go ethanol, or at least if Canada decides to get ethanol stations, that would be pretty sweet. For now, obviously, we're going to be using gasoline. Or if in the future we decide to get barrels of ethanol, we could utilize this. Let's go ahead and sort of get this thing thrown in. So I apologize, it's really dark. I have to turn my flash on for you guys to see. I have a light up here, but it's really just not doing enough. But to get to the fuel pump, it's located on the rear seat on the passenger side. There's a couple pull tabs. I don't know if you can't, I don't think you can see it, but right in here there's a plastic pull tab. Pull it and the seat comes up. And let's do it to the other side. And everything just kind of comes out. It's really not that hard. So let me pull this thing out so we can start removing our OEM fuel pump. So I just got the seat chilling in the front right now, just so I have some room. These are the tabs you're pulling. Literally, you just pull it and the seat comes up. There's one there as well. So don't just start ripping on the seat. Just feel for the tab, give it a pull. Comes right out. I also want to point out before I even start this, I have the positive terminal disconnected just because we are dealing with electrical things. So disconnect your positive, put something between it. I have my radiator hose just so I know it's not going to make contact, and you should be good to go. What's stopping you, bro? What's stopping you? Oh shit, there's gas everywhere. Oh shit. Oh wow, look at the crud in there. Definitely gonna clean that out. It's not going back in the car. There's actual metal shavings underneath there. See that? That's interesting. Oh, did I get it? Ooh, I got it. I got it. Only took forever, but I got it. So that's the difference. I mean, honestly, they look pretty similar other than the color. Let's get this new one in. We took this spacer or whatever from the original. It's going to go back on. Take one O-ring. Put it on there. It comes with two. We're only going to use one. I just want to give this thing a spray with brake cleaner, just so if there's any dirt and stuff, like you can see there's some dirt in there, try to spray it out. Now the neat thing about this is it should just plug right in. So if we line it up, it should just go right in place. Just like that. Nice and snug. So, down. Like so. Take your clip and put it back without losing it. This clips back in. I'm going to go ahead, connect these again. Well, I guess I figured out where the second O-ring goes. It's right down in here. I'm going to go ahead, put it right here. Okay, I'm having a problem getting this O-ring on, so I'm going to just put a drop of engine oil on right here, just a little bit, just to help kind of lube it up. Now hopefully it's a lot easier to go in. Wow, look at that. First try with the engine oil. Looks alright to me. I'm just going to clean this off. Make sure there's no debris or anything on this before we put it back in. If your seal right here comes off, make sure you line it back up. You can see ours is just disgusting. I'm going to clean that up a bit. But she looks clean to me. So we can go ahead and throw this back in. Now, obviously, if you're going higher horsepower, you're going to have to get like a radium fuel hanger. But for our scenario, we don't need it. So this will be plenty for us. So your seal goes in. You got to line it up, though, a specific way, because this has to go on top. And then this notch right here has to line up right there with that notch. I don't know if you can see it. So this notch right here has to line up with that notch. So when you put it on, it lines up. See? This area you bolt in, there's a little nipple right there. That nipple lines up with right here. I hope you can see that. If not, I am sorry. And this should just go in. Now it's down. We take this, slide it over the connectors that are so annoying, and push it all down. Voila, there we go. And now we take our 8mm nuts, nut it on. Let's just get one down just so it holds. Okay. Shit. Whoopsies. Getting crazy in here. That's it. Put your connectors back. It's kind of hard to mess these up. They kind of line up exactly where you need to go, so I wouldn't worry too hard about messing it up. If you're unsure, just take a photo before you disconnect them. If I can get this one. And then the last one. And we're golden. That's on. Now the foam I was trying to not mess up, but I messed it up. Honestly, as soon as the gas hit it, it kind of just went crazy. I'm just going to line it up as best as I can. Put your connector back on. And then let's just try to line this up. Did I put this on wrong? I gotta know now. I don't know. I might have put this on wrong. Crap, man. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, that's how it goes on. There's even an arrow I didn't notice right here pointing to the front of the car. So that's it. It just threw me off right here because there's like a lip. Got me all confused, but that's in. This looks weird. Okay. There's some gas still. I got to clean that up real quick. Just give me a sec. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's actually really nice today. It's supposed to be like 22 degrees Celsius at some point. So I'm pretty happy about that. We can actually work in some decent weather. The AN line hoses for our fuel system, they've been drying for at least 12 hours. So I'm pretty sure we're not going to have any issues with any moisture being in our fuel line. So I'm going to go ahead, throw you guys in a time lapse. Let's get this thing thrown in and done. What's up, guys? The only thing really left to do is to test the pump for leaks. I don't want to do that just as of yet. I want to have the oil pressure confirm that we're okay first before I put any fuels to the system. But I'm pretty sure our fuel pump will be okay. I'm not really too worried about it. Also, I just threw the seat straight up in the back. Can't really see that well, but I just kind of tossed it back here. It reeks of fuel, so I kind of want the fuel to just kind of like air out. So hopefully it's just not in the seat. So this is our old fuel pump. I just kept everything just in case. I don't know if I need it. If I can, I might keep this for the Impreza because I do think I might be having some fueling issues with the Impreza. I'm not sure. And if it fits, perfect. If not, we'll have to get another one. But this one should be good. It only has like 63,000 on it. I don't see why it wouldn't be good for a while, but this one's retired. Keep it for a rainy day. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. It's a fuel pump. It's not really hard to do. You just kind of remove the back seat and install it. But the next video, I would really like to test the pressure of everything in the car, so like the oil pressure and the fuel pressure. So I'm not going to be doing it in this video. I'm going to do it in another video. Otherwise, you would normally check your fuel pressure, but since I have a brand new build, I don't really want to get fuel in the system until I know the oil's good. So it's just one less thing to mess around with. So that'll be in the next video. So if you guys enjoy the video, if you guys enjoy the video, please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and take it easy.